What's going on, everyone? The self-help topic is what two meal choices can make meal prep a whole lot easier for you. Now, my answer is power bowls and overnight oats, but obviously you might have something different, so just comment below. Now, with my two choices, you can pack a lot of nutrients in those meals and have them ready for the week. Overnight oats, there are a million different choices and a million different ways you can pack them. Power bowls, same exact way, but it adds a little bit more variety. So if you want rice as a base or any type of carb as a base, I mean a protein base, you can prep your vegetables and everything else as you go and have that fresh. It's very simple and it'll take a lot of stress away from you. Again, I want to hear your choices, so just let me know what you like below. Remember to comment your questions below so I can get those answered. The smallest change can make the biggest difference in your lifestyle.